Next, we'll demonstrate buttonhole wheel stitch. You can see two patterns here. One is circular, one is a flower. Let's start with the simpler circle. It has a small circle in the center. We won't stitch this small circle yet. After finishing, like this one here, stitch a French knot in the center. Let's first demonstrate the buttonhole wheel stitch. Use color 5, 4 strands for stitching. Bring up at outer outline above the circle. Take down on the small circle's outer line. Don't pull tight. Leave some thread on the fabric. Bring up about 1 stitch length away, creating a buttonhole loop. Let's demonstrate again. Take down at the lower circle here. Don't pull tight. Bring up 1 stitch length forward, creating a buttonhole loop. Once more. Take down here. Don't pull tight. Bring up on outer outline. Follow these steps. To complete this circle, each time you bring up, the needle must go through this loop, not outside the loop. Otherwise, it won't create the linked effect. When bringing up, always come up on the large circle's outline. The pattern will form a circular shape. Keep stitch spacing consistent. This creates an even and beautiful shape. This stitch is great for beginners. The pattern looks like a wheel, so it's perfect for decorative patterns. Last stitch. Take needle down above the first stitch, creating a continuous loop. After stitching, bring needle up in the center here. Bring up here. Hold thread in one hand, needle in the other. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point towards center and take down. Pull thread slowly to prevent knot from sliding. Let's look at the finished result. Now look at the flower shape beside it. It's the same process as the circle, except it has peaks and valleys. So you need to adjust stitch length based on the pattern shape. Let's demonstrate. Use color 6, 4 strands for stitching. Bring up on the outer outline. Don't stitch this small circle in center. We'll add French knots later. Leave it untouched for now. Take down on its outer border. Don't pull tight. Bring up 1 stitch length above. Lock it in place. Once more. Take down. Bring up on outer outline. Continue taking down. This section is lower, so make stitches slightly shorter, creating peaks and valleys. Take down again. This section is higher, so make stitches longer. Follow these steps to complete the remaining pattern. After stitching, take down at the first stitch, creating a continuous loop. Then bring needle up at center point. This space is larger. You can add multiple French knots. Bring up near center position. Hold thread in one hand, needle in the other. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point towards center and take down. If this area looks a bit sparse, you can add a straight stitch in between to make the flower look fuller. Let's demonstrate. Use color 8, 4 strands. Bring up in the center here. Take down near the French knot, making the shape look fuller. You can skip 1 or 2 spaces. Take down. Let's look at the finished overall result.